Which organelle is involved in protein synthesis? A. Ribosome, B. Lysosome, C. Golgi body, D. Mitochondria. Answer A. Ribosome. Ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis, made of rRNA and proteins. Which carbohydrate is a structural polysaccharide in plants? A. Starch, B. Glycogen, C. Cellulose, D. Chitin. Answer C. Cellulose. Cellulose forms plant cell walls. It's made of beta-glucose units. What is the functional unit of kidney? A. Nephron, B. Glomerulus, C. Neuron, D. Alveolus. Answer: nephron. Concept: each nephron filters blood, reabsorbs useful materials, and forms urine. Which tissue helps in translocation of food in plants? A. Xylem, B. Phloem, C. Parenchyma, D. Collenchyma. Answer B. Phloem. Phloem transports organic nutrients from leaves to other parts of plants. Which type of joint is found between the atlas and axis vertebrae? A. Hinge joint, B. Pivot joint, C. Ball and socket joint, D. Gliding joint. Answer B. Pivot joint. Concept: pivot joint allows rotation of the head side to side. In which phase of cell cycle does DNA replication occur? A. G1 phase, B. S phase, C. G2 phase, D. M phase. Answer B. S phase. Concept: S synthesis phase is when DNA duplicates for cell division. Which of the following is an example of meristematic tissue? Xylem, cork, cambium, phloem. Answer C. Cambium. Concept is a lateral meristem that causes secondary growth in plants. The first stable product of C3 photosynthesis is A. Oxaloacetic acid, B. Malic acid, C. 3-phosphoglyceric acid, PGA, pyruvic acid. Answer C. 3-phosphoglyceric acid, PGA. Concept: in C3 plants, CO2 fixation via rubisco forms 3-PGA. The main excretory product in humans is A. Uric acid, B. Urea, C. Ammonia, creatinine. Answer B. Urea. Concept: humans are ureatelic. Urea is less toxic and soluble in water. Which hormone regulates blood calcium level? A. Insulin, B. Parathormone, C. Thyroxine, D. Aldosterone. Answer B. Parathormone. Concept: parathormone from parathyroid glands increases blood calcium levels. In which part of the human brain is the respiratory center located? A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Hypothalamus. Answer C. Medulla oblongata. Concept: medulla controls involuntary actions like breathing and heartbeat. Which enzyme digests proteins in the stomach? A. Amylase, B. Lipase, C. Pepsin, D. Trypsin. Answer C. Pepsin. Concept: pepsin acts on proteins in acidic medium of stomach. The major nitrogenous base not found in RNA is A. Adenine, B. Thymine, C. Uracil, and D. Guanine. Answer: RNA contains uracil instead of thymine. Which process requires oxygen? A. Anaerobic respiration, B. Fermentation, C. Aerobic respiration, D. Photosynthesis. Answer C. Aerobic respiration. Concept: aerobic respiration uses oxygen to oxidize glucose for energy. The blood vessel carrying blood from the heart to lungs is A. Pulmonary artery, B. Pulmonary vein, C. Aorta, D. Vena cava. Answer A. Pulmonary artery. Concept: pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to lungs. Which of the following cells lack a true nucleus? A. RBCs, B. WBCs, C. Muscle cells, D. Neurons. Answer A. RBCs. Concept: mature red blood cells lack nucleus to accommodate more hemoglobin. Which process maintains constant internal environment in the body? A. Metabolism, B. Homeostasis, C. Osmosis. D. Coordination. Answer: homeostasis. Concept: homeostasis keeps internal conditions like temperature and pH stable. Which law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed? A. Law of dominance. B. Law of segregation. C. First law of thermodynamics. D. Second law of thermodynamics. Answer: C. First law of thermodynamics. Concept: energy is conserved. It only changes forms. Which cells are responsible for the conduction of water in plants? A. Sieve tubes. B. Tracheids and vessels. C. Phloem fibers. D. Collenchyma. Answer: B. Tracheids and vessels. Concept: both are xylem elements that transport water upward. Which part of the human eye controls the amount of light entering it? A. Lens. B. Retina. C. Iris. D. Cornea. Answer: C. Iris regulates pupil size, controlling light entry to retina.